Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can watch YouTube together on Discord. So for that you have to open your Discord. I am currently using Discord on browser. You can use the app as well. So in Discord you have to be in a server. This server can be yours or your friends, doesn't matter. You have to be in a voice channel there, and so let me show you how to get connected to a voice channel. For example, this is a voice channel. You have to double click on that, so you will be connected to that voice channel. In here, then you have to click on share your screen. So you have to you can either select a Chrome tab here if you have the YouTube video open, or you can select share entire screen and click on share system audio. So for tutorial purpose I'm not selecting the system audio settings, so that you guys can hear clearly. So in here you have to click on here, and click on the display and click on share. So it says your stream is still running, and you can now move from different move to different web page. As you can see, I am here in YouTube. So you can see whatever I'm doing on my screen, it is showing in here in this small window. So you can see that. So if you are in YouTube and play a video, this video will also show in here. I'm not able to show you guys that, but let me try to show you guys that in a way. So I have opened two different browsers to show you guys that YouTube is showing on Discord. So for your friends to join, they have to just click on this live icon. They have to double click on your name and in this live option. Then they will be able to see this screen, and they can from here change different settings under here and here. So that's how you can basically watch YouTube together on Discord. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.